spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms. This is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Shiv Vardhan by Navkarmik Infra located in Kandivali West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. They also have a developer office on the first floor from where I will show you the actual land parcel. So now we are standing at the developer office of the project and this over here is the actual land parcel. Before getting into all the other details, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 2 acres that will have 2 towers with ground plus 36 stories having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 80 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, indoor games, squash court, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located at MG Road, Kandivali West, from where Kandivali railway station is only 3 minutes walk, Dhanukarwadi metro station is only 10 minutes drive, and Western Express Highway is also at a distance of 10 minutes drive. Also, you have school, colleges and hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Navkarmik Infra new launch project. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 582 square feet, and now let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole flat. In the living, you can place your sofa, side table, center table and customize your TV unit. And you will also be getting full French windows in the living area. This over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink, and ventilation window is also provided. You also have space provided to place your washing machine and refrigerator. You can customize your lower cabinets and upper cabinets in the kitchen. Moving forward, this will be your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and the common washroom. First, over here we have the common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right next to it, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king-size bed. You can easily place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables, and you will have walkable space left on both the sides and in the bedroom. Over here, you can customize your wardrobe and also build lofts if you want. You will be getting full French windows in this bedroom as well. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom. This over here is a master bedroom where you'll get a foyer area. You can build closets at the entrance as well, and over here you will get your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king-size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit, study corner and your makeup corner as well. And Customize your wardrobes and also build lofts if you want. You will be getting full French windows in this bedroom as well. And this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Shiv Vardhan. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Navkarmik Infra new launch project located in Kandivali West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.